For measuring fluid pressure, manometer is used. The operating principle is based on the balance of pressure influenced by the fluid column in the U-shaped tube. The height difference between the columns is directly proportional to the pressure difference being measured. Main advantages are it is simple and straightforward design, cost effective, suitable for wide range of pressure measurement. Main disadvantages are limited to measuring low pressures, not as accurate as more advanced pressure measurement devices, and sensitivity to temperature changes can affect the accuracy. Typically used for low moderate pressure applications up to 10 bar. Accuracy is plus or minus 1% to plus or minus 2% of full scale reading. Quick response time suitable for static pressure measurements. Sensitivity to temperature changes and vibration. This can affect the accuracy. Low maintenance device, but the liquid in the manometer may need periodic replacement. Purely mechanical device, easy to install and doesn't require external power resources.